Hey guys, my name is Genevieve Castonguay, aka the Keto Goddess, and if you're watching this video, it means that you are interested in being a Pruvit promoter, which is amazing. You are definitely in good company. So first and foremost, I want to say a big hello and welcome to this community. There are people of all different walks of life who have been a part of it for over 3 years. In such a short amount of time, Pruvit has created a new industry, allowing the general public to have access to pure therapeutic ketones. What's so exciting is now keto is such a hot topic. It is the #1 Google diet and lifestyle for the last 2 years, and that means that there is a plethora of people out there that are looking to explore better. This is an opportunity for you to tap into that market and to explain and share your own experience with the keto products. They're your average everyday people, from stay-at-home moms and dads, full-time employees who are looking for something on the side that they can be passionate about, fitness professionals, health professionals, airline pilots, construction workers, teachers, nurses, and the list goes on. What I love about this is you can be anybody from any walk of life and be successful because the model is the same for anyone. When you step into this community, you have full access to the resources. You are given all of the tools and information you need so that you don't have to be the expert. In fact, the model is so simple that we coined a new term. It's called community-based marketing. This new term came about to be because we are sharing with people that we know, love, and trust who actually want something better out of their lives. By starting within our own networks, we don't have to have YouTube channels and these huge Instagram accounts to be successful. Remember that the power of one becomes the power of many as they share. So here's the model, step by step. First step is to share your experience. If you've already tried ketones, you love them, you are going to want to share how it has benefited you. Share also comes into play with the awesome little campfire video that we've created to help people better understand what the product's all about. Step 2, connect. They might have some questions and you may not have all the answers. That's okay. All of the resources and the community are available for you to be able to connect people to get the answers that they're seeking. Step 3, experience. You want them to get the product in their hands. It's hard for them to know and experience things without actually trying it first. The best part about trying out the product first is different flavors and formulas so that they are ready to commit to a full box. And step 4, repeat. Everybody from somebody starting out today through the top earners in the company continue to use that formula because it works. All right, so now that you know the formula, let me walk you through step by step on how to upgrade your current status to promoter and then some of the amazing perks that you are going to love right off the bat. The first thing you need to do if you are a current customer is to go into your cloud or back office. In your store, you're actually going to see a small upgrade button to promoter that's $37. Click that, add it to your cart, and bam, you're a promoter right away. But before you do that, you are going to want to figure out the best way of optimizing how to be a promoter and how to earn some awesome promotions called the Go Challenge right off the bat. So the Go Challenge, what is it? How can I maximize it? And how do I even get started? Well, first and foremost, there's going to be a video I'm going to link you to that is going to help you to fast start your business and understand the nitty-gritty of the Go Challenge. But that being said, it offers you incentives in the first 14 and 30 days for you to make real, tangible US dollars simply by sharing and getting out 5 and 10-day experiences. So if you remember the model, one of the first steps is to get the experiences in their hand. And in order to do so, you need to have some stock in hand. So what the Go Challenge is so great is because you're able to get an experience pack that has different flavors and formulas so that you can get out a multitude of different things into the marketplace quickly. The benefit is that you'll get the money back right away from that, earn a little bit extra, and also start to hit those qualifiers. It's all surrounded by volume, and volume comes from the amount of boxes that you sell online. Like I said, I'm going to link you to the Fast Start link so that you can learn more about the Go Challenge, but I hit it within my 30-day window, and we help you, your upline team and community, to ensure that's the first thing that you do. We empower you with the tools, informations, and way to share this conversation that is not contrived and doesn't come off as selling. And once you've hit that Go Challenge, you are going to feel empowered and ready to take on the world. As you move yourself up into different ranks, you're going to achieve different statuses. The one that is the most prestigious is hitting the Champions Club. So the Circle of Champions, the best perk is that you get an $800 credit towards a luxury vehicle that you can keep each and every month as long as you hit your specific qualifiers. So as you grow your team, as you share your conversation, you're being consistently rewarded not only dollars, not only free product, but also having a free vehicle. When you hit rank 7, which is considered a pro champ, you get $1,300 towards a Tesla to be part of our prestigious Tesla club. Not only that, but you start earning percentages of the company's earnings quarterly. And if you've seen our earnings recently, you understand that that is a big component and a big incentive for you to continue to share and grow your business. There's so many more ranks to go. We have 8, 9, 10, and then Legend. That's $1 million in sales per month. And if you think this is out of reach, we have people from all walks of life that have achieved this. But before we get ahead of ourselves, the first thing to do is for you to upgrade. With all of the tools at your disposal, with weekly Zooms, with private Facebook groups that give you empowering information from the doctors, the thought leaders, the CEO himself, you have everything you need to be successful within this Pruvit conversation. Not to mention some innovative, exceptionally science-backed products that are growing and changing all the time based on demand. So if this is something that piques your curiosity, maybe you want to earn a little bit of a side income. Perhaps it's more time freedom, or maybe it's a trip for your family. Whatever it may be, we can help you achieve those goals. As of January 2019, Pruvit is currently in North America, Australia, and Southeast Asia, and we have plans of expanding to other areas around the world rapidly. That means that you can have a network of people anywhere. If you're watching this, that means that your curiosity has already been piqued, and we're looking for people just like you. Don't be nervous, don't be scared, don't play into the myths of MLM and network marketing. I promise you that with our guidance and support, your passion and experience, we can do this together.